Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Placement Interview with your host Sonia Ghatraj. And we are back again with some career guidance technique about how to not let rejections get the better of you during a job hunt. And let's get started. Number 1. Connect directly with the hiring manager via email as opposed to relying on easy apply method to submit your resume. This will help and curb the chances of rejections. Number 2. Be sure to ask for the feedback from recruiters if you have not been accepted for a job. Number 3. It can be overwhelming to constantly apply for job and face rejections. In such a scenario, it is wise to schedule some break time. Doing so will improve your enthusiasm for job search. Do not give up, no matter how difficult it gets. We all know that finding a job can be mentally draining and difficult, but it is not impossible. Alright, so that is it about today's video. I hope it was informative for you guys, and do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe for more such videos.